Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to restore an old version of your site in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then click on the website you want to work on. Once you're inside the website editor, just click on these three dots from the corner and click on version history. And now you can see all the saved versions of your website. As you can see, just today I have the current version, and this one at 3:48 p.m. This one, and I think 6 or 5 old versions just for today, and for yesterday I have 3 versions that I can, or more than, I think, lots of saved versions I can restore my website to. Let's restore to an old version. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's restore to an old version. As you can see, this one have a different background photo. To restore to this site version, just click on this restore this site version button. Click on restore, and just like that, as you can see, restored version and the date, the exact date. Don't forget to save your changes by hitting the publish button and click again on publish. Now let's view my website live. And this is how to restore an old version of your website in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.